Hey there! Today we got an interesting problem to tackle in our video session. So, here's the deal. Our Chrome extension, built using Vite and React, hit a snag out of the blue. We're seeing a content security policy, CSP, error that's blocking a script from loading. Quite the unexpected hiccup, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is that our issue stems from Chrome 130 and can be fixed by updating the Vite plugin to version 2.0.0 beta.26. It's all about staying up to date with the latest tools to keep things running smoothly. So, remember to upgrade and watch those errors vanish. In summary, we've uncovered a pesky CSP error causing a script loading problem in our Chrome extension. The solution lies in updating our Vite plugin to version 2.0.0 beta.26. Stay on top of those updates, and you'll be back on track in no time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.